Hello. So in our last session we discussed that we will be using Python throughout this course. So now let's see why we are using Python. So let's see the reasons. First of all, it's a free, flexible and open source language. And the reason is it cuts development time in half with a simple and easy to read syntax. That means if we compare Python with any other programming language like Java or C++ or any other programming language, you can actually see that Python is very easy to learn. And if we have to write code for any specific problem in Python, it will be much shorter and much faster to write in Python. You can realize this difference by learning Python in this course. So the reason is with Python, we can perform data manipulation, analysis, and visualization very easily, which are actually the major steps in our course data science. So the reason behind this easiness is Python. Python provides a lot of libraries, which makes our life much easier. So let's see these libraries. So there is a list of libraries which are available in Python. So for example, we have a library with the name numpy, which actually is kind of an n-dimensional array. So with the help of this, so let's see these libraries. So there is a list of libraries which are available in Python. So for example, we have a library with the name numpy, which actually is kind of an n-dimensional array. So with the help of this library, we can easily work over n-dimensional arrays. Let's take a very simple example. Let's say I have a simple 1D array with the name A, which has these kinds of values. And for some problem, let's say I want to increase each and every value of this array by 1. So in Python, we just need to write this in order to achieve this increment. I just need to write A plus 1 and every value of this array will be incremented by 1. So this is a very simple example. But we can do many more stuff with this numpy and many more complex stuff, which makes our life much easier. So like this numpy, there is one more library with the name pandas, which actually supports a lot of complex data structures. And with which we can load a lot of different kind of files in our code. We can read data from the file. We can actually convert data from files to different Python objects, so that we can process over them better. So pandas is another reason. Next, in order to visualize our data, we have a lot of libraries available in Python like matplotlib, plotly, seaborn, pyplot. So with the help of all these libraries, we can plot from basic to advanced graphs based on our requirements, based on our data. So this is also possible. So apart from visualization, there are a lot of libraries with support. Machine learning also are available. So like there is a library with the name scikit-learn, which is having all the major machine learning algorithms implemented in it. We just need to import this library and we can straightforward use the machine learning algorithms. For example, regression, classification, naive Bayes, decision tree and many other algorithms. So by using this library, we don't need to write a lot of code. We can write code from scratch for any particular algorithm. We just need to import this library and with the help of a few lines of code, we can use the algorithm in order to get results out of our data. So apart from the scikit-learn, there are many other libraries also like TensorFlow and Keras, which are basically deep learning algorithms. So deep learning algorithms, which are kind of machine learning algorithms, so we'll not cover deep learning in this course. But if at any point of time you want to apply deep learning on any of your data sets, you can use these libraries. TensorFlow, Keras and many others are available. So all these libraries are actually making Python a right choice for using data science for learning data science, which is why we are using only Python. Thank you.